Welcome back. My name's Josh. Today I'm going to be showing you how to mount the front end loader onto the Bobcat CT 1000 series tractor. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm lined up with the loader and drive forward into the loader as far as I can, where my points here are up against my frame here. All these hoses are color coded. Just make sure you look up in here. We've got the right hose on the right port on the valve here. Blue on the bottom. Red is next. Yellow and then green. And again, if you don't get these hooked up correctly, it will be backwards. Now I'm going to tip my bucket forward. Make sure they're in the seat, and then I can raise it up, and then I'll put my pin in. Always do your pins before you take the jack stands back up. That's it, guys. Front end loader is mounted to the CT 1000 series Bobcat tractor. Alright, so the reverse procedure for dismounting the front end loader. The first thing I'll do is get on the tractor, start it, raise the front end loader about a foot off the ground so I can comfortably put my jack stands down without hitting the front tires. I usually go for the second hole from the bottom on the jack stand. That seems to be about the right hole. And again, it depends on the terrain that you're setting this, unhooking this front end loader on. And next step is, after I got my jack stands down, then I'll take the clip and take the pins out from both sides. I'll get back on the tractor and I will use the hydraulics to unhook the loader frame from the tractor frame here. Once I've got that done, I'll shut my tractor off. Again, I'll wiggle the joystick to relieve any hydraulic pressure, and I'll disconnect my lines and put my plugs and caps back on my hoses. And that's it. That is how you install a front end loader and dismount a front end loader on a Bobcat CT 1000 series tractors. I will say the CT 2000 and 4000, 5000 series are mostly the same. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching on how to mount and dismount the Bobcat FL6 front end loader from the Bobcat CT 1000 series tractors. If you haven't checked out our other videos on the mid-mount mower or the front mount snowblower on how to mount those up, check them out up here in the link up in the top left.